Insurance products versus services. What's the real difference and why expats should care? Many expats in Austria think insurance ends the moment they buy a policy. But that's the biggest mistake. Because in Austria, the true protection doesn't come from the product you buy. It comes from the service that stands behind it. In this video, Insurance Compass breaks down the real difference between insurance products and insurance services, and why understanding this distinction could save you thousands of euros and a lot of stress when you actually need to make a claim. Lesson 1. Understanding the basics on products versus services. Expats must understand that every insurance experience in Austria starts with a product, the actual policy contract you buy. It's the document that defines your coverage limits, your deductible, and your premiums. But what most people overlook is that the insurance service is what brings that product to life. A product sits on paper. A service acts when things go wrong. A product gives you coverage terms. A service helps you claim, renew, and update when life changes. In short, product equals promise, and service equals performance. Lesson 2. Why expats often confuse the two. Many expats in Austria come from countries where insurance is simpler, often online, automated, or state-managed. So they assume buying a policy means they're fully protected. But Austrian insurance is more relationship-based. Local brokers, agents, and service networks play a key role. Without the service layer, like support for claims, policy changes, or language assistance, your policy may not perform when it matters most. That's why many expats end up frustrated when they try to file a claim or update coverage without professional support. Lesson 3. Let's imagine a real-life example using health insurance in Austria. Take Austria's public health insurance, OGTH. The product is your coverage, which includes doctor visits, hospital stays, and maternity care. But the service involves how your claims are processed, whether your e-card works at the clinic, and how well you're guided through paperwork in German. A private provider may offer similar coverage on paper, but with better service, faster responses, English support, or direct reimbursement. Two people can hold the same product type, but experience completely different service quality and outcomes. Lesson 4. The hidden value of insurance services. Expats often shop by price, comparing premiums, not protection. But a cheaper product without responsive service can cost you more in the long run. Service is the difference between waiting weeks for a claim or getting reimbursed in days. It's the difference between being guided through renewal changes or missing coverage gaps after moving to a new district. Good insurance service includes proactive policy reviews, multilingual support, fast claim handling, and personalized guidance for life events. It's what ensures your policy stays relevant and reliable, even as your life in Austria evolves. Lesson 5. The broker's role, your service anchor. Expats must understand that an insurance broker in Austria isn't just a salesperson. A broker represents you, not the insurance company. They manage both the product selection and the service experience, helping you interpret terms, submit claims, and switch providers if necessary. Think of your broker as your insurance translator and advocate. When the unexpected happens, an accident, theft, or medical emergency, your broker ensures the service side delivers on the product's promise. Lesson 6. How to evaluate an insurance provider in Austria. Before buying, expats should evaluate both product and service quality. Check how claims are handled, fast, digital, or manual. Ask about English language support. Review how renewals and life changes, marriage, baby, relocation are managed. Ensure your broker or provider offers ongoing consultation, not just one-time setup. Remember, buying insurance is the beginning of your protection, not the end. Lesson 7. Real-world impact when service fails. Imagine this. An expat's household items are damaged by water leakage. The policy covers it, but the claim gets delayed because forms are missing or untranslated. The product promised coverage, but the service failed to deliver. This is why Insurance Compass teaches expats to think long-term, to build relationships with service-oriented brokers who understand their situation. Lesson 8. How to insure smarter as an expat. To insure smarter in Austria, don't just buy a policy, choose a partner. Don't just compare prices, compare response times. Don't just look for coverage, look for service commitment. The difference between an insurance product and service is the difference between peace of mind and unnecessary stress. And once expats understand this, they can truly protect what matters most. This has been Insurance Compass, helping expats in Austria understand insurance products, services, and how to make them work for you. Subscribe for more videos that help you insure smarter, not harder.